it's just an amazing country. There's a lot of job opportunities over there.
The United States, being the one of the biggest world power, should do something for the people, for the country who are underdeveloped.
There is so much of poverty in India, so they should help Indians. As here the population is so much, they should create more employment opportunities for the poor.
US is a big economic power and big global power, so they should look at the world as their own country, not differentiate between US and other countries in a way that only US should benefit and other countries should suffer. As an Indian, as a citizen of the world, I expect the US to bring the world peace. That's the best thing that can happen to India or to the whole world.
We want US to support India for our common causes. That at the moment the common cause is terrorism.
They should be focusing on India both in terms of business as well as security partner.
We should work together to fight this terrorism all over the world.
Because India offers United States a lot of strategic opportunities from this region.
Well, I expect now that they should respect India not as a subservient country as in the past.
The United States need India today more than ever because we are growing as a force to reckon with in Asia and also rising as an economic power.
India is not a protectorate of the United States. We are an independent country which has independent policy.
Our country is also a powerful country, equivalent to United States.
India has always been playing a good peace role as of now, and they should continue doing that because we are in a stage where we are making next big thing in the world.
In near future, in science, in technology, or in any other business, India will 100% overtake US.
But now I think Americans should realize, and they are now realizing, India should be accepted as an equal.